everyone, my name is Sohan. Today I am going to talk about my app. I have created my app in MIT App Inventor. My app name is Sohan's Kids Library app. In this app, children can select their books. Children can select their books by checking the checklist. And if they have clicked it wrong, they could go to the checklist and uncheck it. And when they are done taking all of their books, they could press the calculate button. If they don't want any of the books, instead of doing a long process by unchecking all of them, you could just click on reset. And if they press on calculate, a option would be given to them by paying them by Phone Pay, Google Pay, Paytm and other paying apps. And this is the coding which I have done. And for some kids, or if the parents are ordering for them, the parents won't know which books the children wants. By long clicking on the storybook, it would show them a preview. This is the book which they are taking, and I need to code the preview and the Google Pay in the next class. Thank you.